Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to view replies on Threads app. Threads is a very loved social media app. It is developed by Meta and associated with Instagram. In Threads, you can post your thoughts, pictures, and connect with your friends. So if you are a beginner, you might be having trouble viewing replies on Threads app, so I'll guide you on it. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Here you can see Netflix PH has uploaded a post. Here I will reply to it. You can see my reply has been posted. So in order to view your reply, first of all go to your profile, tap on the profile icon that is in the bottom right corner. It looks like a little person. Here you can see three options: threads, replies, reposts. All you have to do is go to replies. And here you can see the reply that I posted earlier. So this is how you view replies on Threads app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification icon to get notified every time we upload videos.